Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver tutorial video. In this video, we are going to explore more about common usage menu. So, before we start, I would like to explain about common usage. This video will explain about SystemEver, login screen, modal bar, menu area, user information, toolbar, menu screen, and code help. So this is the basic knowledge for the user before using the SystemEver. Now, as you can see, we are already on the login screen. Please notice that you're already entering the right URL. This is the login menu, where you can enter your login ID and password. Under that, there are several languages that you can select. We support Korean, Chinese, Japan, English, and Indonesia. And we already support password change for the user that forget password or want to change the new one. So, let's get into the system. On the modal bar, there are three kinds of information and we can filter, pin, and also close menu. The first one is favorites. Favorites content menu that we already marking or give the star. History content menu that we already open and close before. And open screens menu that we are opening right now. Next is the menu area. On the left side, we can see various model with iconic picture and we can organize the position by dragging it. Like this. And when we click the menu, for example, corporate, it will show several submenu inside it. Click on business information and you can see the drop down. Then we can choose the menu related with business information. And about user information, please take a look on the left bottom side. On personal information, we can see user info, sign out, setting password, and sending requests. Remember, every user ID has their own roles and authority. Next one is toolbar. Every menu has a different toolbar. For example, on sales order entry screen, new is to make new data on blank screen. Inquiry to find the existing data, save and save as, delete row to erase specific row, delete to erase all data, delivery order, this is the action button to continue the next process, and order to print sales order paper. And menu screen. On menu screen, it splits by two sections, upper screen and under screen. Upper screen is where toolbar located. Main under screen is filled by drop-down, combo box, menu, code help, mandatory field, and text box. Code help. Code help is one of useful feature on SystemEver. It can make us easier while operating it. On the blue box, we can double-click and the pop-up screen will be shown. Like this. Or we can type the name and enter, then pop-up screen will show you the choice list. This is when we double-click or we just click like this, enter, and then it will show you the choice list. Okay, very easy, right? That's the final explanation of common usage. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.